I'm going to clear out some things so that I will start from the scratch. So basically, I made use of two different pictures of the celebrants. So let me hide some things. Now I imbibed this idea because I don't want the video to be long. Alright, so it's as simple as that. Okay. So the very first thing here is what is the picture. The very first thing here is the background, and here is the background. So you can request for it. So I'm sure for somebody that is just using Pixellab, you should know how to select your background. So you come to this place. So this is where you have your background. So when I click on this, you go to from gallery. So when you click on that, you look for the background you want to use. So that's that. So if that's being said and done, the next thing here is to import the picture. So the first picture I used here was this. I used this, not this actually. Yeah, this picture. So this is the first picture I used. Excuse me. Alright, so now when I have this, I think I did some editing to this picture. So I will advise that anytime you want to work on a birthday design, make sure you make use of a very good picture with good quality. It has a way of enhancing your design. So yeah, I think I just work a bit on this, the hue, force, saturation tree, the brightness tree, and the contrast tree. So when I know and I've properly placed it where I want it to be, then I lock it. So the next one was this. This is the second picture that I used. This is the second picture for the design. So after placing that also, you do what? You lock it. So the next thing I did here, even before I have the name Rhoda, let me just put it here. The second thing I did was to have a kind of faded background like this, something like this, so that it will be easy for me to just, it will be as if the picture is inside the background. So how was I able to achieve this? Now for you to achieve this, let me just go to this place. Just come to your shape. So now you drag the shape to the extreme end. So when you drag the shape to the extreme end, then you come to the color. You come to fill color. You click on this plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, you drag this to the extreme end. Sorry, the first thing you do is you come to gradient. So when you come to gradient, you click on the plus sign. Now this node, have you seen that? Now this first one represents what is at the top, while the second one. So what you want to do here is to actually make this front part to be transparent. So you click on it, then you click on this. Let me go back again. You click on this first node, then you do what? Then you click on this. So when you click on it now, you reduce this one, the opacity, you reduce it. Then you have this. Then you change the color here to your preferred color. So let's say this is the color I want. Let's say I want this kind of color. So if that's what you want, then you have it right there. So can you see that now? So it's as simple as that. So that was why I was able to achieve that. Now, haven't done that, I think I needed two. Yes, so I had that, then I have this also. I had this as well. Yes, so the same thing I did here. So it's as simple as that. So that was how I was able to achieve the two shape. Now, the next thing that we have here is the roller. Now, this font, it actually gives the design a very nice look. Oh, 6 minutes. I want the video to be a bit short. So let me just show us the font. This is the name of the font. It is called Annual Bold. That's the name of the font. So that is that. Rhoda. Proper. Just place it there. The next thing is for me to, I have happy birthday. This happy birthday here. I have happy birthday. How was I able to achieve the happy birthday? All you need to do is to type happy. Birthday. Yes, then reduce it based on the size you want, then go to curve, then you have it here. So when you have one, you duplicate it by using copy. So when you have copy like that, then you come to your rotate and you rotate it. Can you see that now? So that is that. That was how I was able to achieve that. So I have 13th September in the middle. So what's the next thing? The next thing I have here is this happy birthday. Now this happy birthday was downloaded. Yes, was downloaded using Chrome. I just type happy, or I just wrote birthday. You can just say birthday typography. So you will see different ones. So that was what I used. I just changed. I removed the background, then I changed the color to the preferred color I want. So happy birthday, Rhoda. And what other name is she bearing? And that is that. Yes, so these are the other names of the celebrant. Happy birthday, Oluwanifemi Olabode. So I have this rating like this. Favor. You can use your preferred font also. Then I have a shape with different color. It's as simple as that. So it's very simple, very, very simple. I have the shape with different color. So what other thing do you have here? So all these, they are just to okay, I think I have this. Yes, I have this. This is just a flower. So this flower now, I removed the background using photo room application. So I removed the background using photo room application. Then I blur it. So you see that it looks blurry. So I blurred it. So that was how. Then I have one here. I think I have another one. Yes, I have just one. So you can just make do of it. I can duplicate it, copy, then I can have one here as well. There's a way it gives your design a kind of feel. So I can have one like this. So let me reduce the opacity here. Alright, so what other thing do we have? Yeah, this is just a shape which I got this from the sticker. Yes, the sticker that comes with the Pixellab I'm using. That's it there. So that's it. Then I just changed the words. I changed the color. So that's that. Is there any other thing? Okay, I have another roller here. So this same set of roller, then I put it here. Excuse me, I put it here. Yeah, that's all. I have the date. Oh, sorry. So 13th September. Then I had a word of prayer for her. Yeah, a word of prayer for her. Yeah. So now, if you look at this, it's as if these pictures are not coming up the way they should. So I have a tweak that I used here. When I realized that it's as though the picture was not coming out the way they should. So I have another picture like this. This says set of picture. So all I did was that I duplicated the picture. So when I duplicated the picture, then I came to my eraser. Can you see that now? So it's the same picture. I just erased the part that I do not need. Then I work with the part I need. So I just place it here. I make sure that I overlay it appropriately. Can you see that now? So with this, it is the picture actually, the quality, because the background I faded here, this background, where is it? This background here has actually, it has actually affected the quality. So that was why I manipulated the picture like that. So as you can see, it has actually come out the way it should. It has actually come out the way you should. So all you need to do is to save it. And how do you save your picture? By coming to this side. So when you come there, you click on this, click on save as image, then you click on custom, click on ultra, then you click on save to gallery. So it will be automatically saved to your phone. And if you want to save it as projects, you realize that this is a design I've done in the past. I just want to show you how I was able to design it. So you will come here, then you save it as projects. That's all. Thank you for following through. You can also replicate it. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. If you have any question, you can actually reach out to me on the comment section, and I will do well to respond. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and anticipate another videos. And if there's any video you would like me to work on for you, you can as well reach out. I will be so glad to do that. Thank you.